Okay, just restarted the stream. Let's see here. So when I play, let's say any map, right? If I select a hero,
are you kidding me?
then I select him.
Yes?
Huh? Aha. So I can click on this. Okay, I need money first. 200. Damn man, you fully copied balloons. Aha. So this is how it behaves. I select this guy. I can click on the UI here as much as I want to. Nothing happens.
Yes.
But the moment I move this guy, the selection disappears. Okay. So I almost have the same thing. The only difference is if I click on this and then I click here, it disappears because it's no longer a button. It doesn't treat this as a button. So we need to turn this into an invisible button or something. So essentially what happens is if, yeah, this, like, we still need that button, right? What if I swap those around? I think we can still turn this into a button. Maybe this order is wrong. Let's try. Do tangerines have orange or green peepees? I'm not going to answer that question. The fact that you're even asking. Oh, I see. I can still move it. That's bad. I should not be able to move it. That's bad. I can't stop. I can't. Hey! Stop! I just created an issue. Fuck. God damn it. Let me test something. I should not be able to move it. The moving part is further up. Right here. I think what we can do is take... where's this button? Is it that far down? No way. I went too far down. Yeah. Hello there, Asen. How's it going? Cakes, will you include a battle pass as well? No. No, I will not. Hey, oh my god, where the fuck is it? How's it so fucking difficult to find that line? God, I keep on searching for it. Here. Fuck you. Sorry. Pissing me off. That's bad. Good. This is bad. This should not happen. Especially not. Okay, so, this should not happen. It needs to reset. Your title says nothing about the TTD game. Yeah, because I didn't have fucking time to change the fucking title. Use your imagination and see what I'm doing, okay? Listen up, okay? Be happy I'm here, okay? I'll change the title later. I have a lot of stuff to do, okay? Tomorrow is a big fucking day. It's a lot of stuff to do today. Really, like, I have a lot to do. Like, oh my god. Cake, stop being rude. Fuck you. Fuck you, bitch. Shut the fuck up, man. We need something that removes this distance. I can afford the hero. The button is odd. This distance moved needs to change in a way. I had an if check here. If the mouse is not in the rectangle. Oh my god, this is really annoying. Okay, so I think what happens is when I have a break in the connection, or like a slowdown in the connection, it seems like that OBS is trying to catch up, and as it's trying to catch up because my connection is so bad, it lags out Twitch as well. Now everything seems fine, which is nice. I wonder if I have to restart the YouTube. Why always us? Yeah, I'm sorry, Inukai. I probably have to restart the fucking chat on YouTube too. Let me do that real quick. Right. Restore chat. And then pop out chat again. Live chat. There we go. That is the reason why people prefer smaller functions. You can't make this function smaller. Like, I see what you mean, Inukai, no? Hi, my king. Hello there, sir. You may speak. How's it going? What a nice hello, welcome and hello. I'm late to the party. Hey, Sturdy Puss, my man. It's all good. I'm currently working on. Essentially, what happened is I couldn't place this unit, and so yeah, you see that? The fuck happened? You see that? This is bad. This shouldn't happen. I'm not clicking or anything, right? It is just snapping. Even this one. That's bad. And I can... Yeah, that's also bad. I think I know what to do. So the moment I'm... Where is it? Over here. The moment I move the unit... Do I use this shit? No. Let's get rid of this. Instead of a bool, we use a static int last active ID. That refers to the button ID. And then over here, we get rid of that. We get rid of this one here too. And we get rid of it here. Don't need that. Actually, if is hot ID or button ID. If the button is hot that we are currently looking at and the last active ID is unequal to the button ID. What are you complaining about, bro? It is literally here somewhere. The button ID, right? It's here. What are you talking about? Maybe I have to put this in a different... Damn. Huh? Not sure where I put this though. Then distance moved is 0.05. That's 0. Number 1. And whenever we click that, we set the last active ID to button ID. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. Int equals false. Wait, is it an int still? Oh, yeah, that's a bool. Actually, 0. Alright, let's see if this works. Okay, so now that I have this on and I can't place him here, right? It's red. Whenever I go back, I want it to snap back to the list. Actually, I should put myself here so you guys can see this better. Sorry. So, okay, we almost have it. This looks good. It does not work when we are back, so there needs to be another condition. Wait, I think I have this if check here. Can be among the other ones. Right. Okay, so what this does is if I'm hovering over a different unit, then I remove the distance that I moved. And because the distance that I moved is an indicator to myself whether... Or... I have an idea. This is the reset distance. This is the reset distance conditions. So the button can be hot and it is not the last button that was active, or we don't have enough money. So essentially this is not enough money. This one is for those of you on YouTube, that was a terrible song that I just skipped. I'm not listening to this. Nope. Not enough money. This is hovering different unit. Not enough money hovering different unit. And love from Brazil. Hello there. See web. How do you say your name, bro? Siva? I'm gonna do Siva. Okay, so we don't have enough money. We are hovering over a different unit, or we are if key is down, key left mouse. The key, the left mouse is up in the upwards position, and excuse me. Over here. Let's call this, oops, float center distance. God, I love programming, guys. You know, I love fucking programming. Fucking love programming. No, it's not sarcasm. Cheeseburger, hello there on YouTube, what the fuck? Love from the UK to Brazil. It's an acronym of my full name, but thanks, heart. My man. Okay, so we have to move 10 pixels away. We have to be 10 pixels further away from the center. And we need to be hovering the button. Then those are the conditions to actually move the unit away. And if our distance from the center is less than 10 pixels, center distance is less than 10, and the left mouse button is in the upwards position, then I want to reduce or remove the distance to 0. Please work. Fuck, it doesn't work. This distance to center is bullshit, man. Fuck you. I'm gonna... Draw UI. That's Naruto, by the way, for those of you who are wondering. That's a Naruto song. Gives you the fields. Position text data. This is text data, we don't care about that. We position it on 20 pixels and let's say 50 pixels down, should be here somewhere. Tell me what the fucking distance is, you moron. Hä? What? I can't read that number. Hä? What the fuck is this? Nice debug text, yeah. Why can't I... Hä? Okay, wait. You draw it for many things. Oh, I see. Thank you, Asian. True. I see now. Yeah, okay, thank you. I get it. I see. So I wasn't... Okay. Oh, okay. Thank you, Aizen. Ah. Cake, stop rushing with your code. Shut the fuck up. I'm not rushing. What are you talking about? Huh? Okay, center distance is 74 pixels. What the fuck is this? Length squared. Oh, I'm a fucking dumbass! Why am I doing length squared? Oh god, I'm fucking dumb. I'm fucking dumb. Why is it keeping it here though? Ah, I know why. There we go. Okay, I think I have it now. I think we actually have it now. Shit! Why? Why are you still moving it? It's not active, you dummy. Huh? I think this needs to be an OR check. That's why. This has to be OR. Can OR on these nuts. It's gotta be an OR check. 100%. 100%. True. You use length and length squared again. Yeah, I know I need to use length here. I know. I know that. I saw that earlier. I know that, yeah. True. 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 And then we do a const float max dist, or let's call it move. No, move dist. No, min dist. Right, min dist is 10. And then we do min dist everywhere here. Min dist. Min distance. Distance moved.
Gotcha, bitch.
Are you fucking stupid? Why are you complaining about this? Are you dumb? Is that an int? Thank you very much for following, sir. '20s. Can there be a Twitch clip requested by requested just like song request? I don't know if that's possible, to be honest. I think I know what you mean, but I don't know if that's possible. So you wanna do an exclamation mark clip, and then it creates a clip with like a random name automatically. I would spam boas all day. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna do that feature then. Go eat a dick. No. Nope. No, I mean play clip on stream. Oh, play clip on stream? No. Absolutely not. It's just another way of being insanely disruptive. So no. Absolutely not, man. You have no idea how much I enjoy my piece over here. And I can actually focus on something cool other than just listening to TTS all the time. Or some stupid clips. Okay, so now I'm 100% sure that this will work. Let's see. I think it doesn't increase the... It doesn't increase the moved. Distance moved. I think it doesn't increase that very well. Unfortunately. Does it increase it at all? It's not increasing it. Not sure why. Because the button is active. Let's see. Yeah. But it seems like turning this into a vector too. Fuck. Cakez, you should make your bots record clip mentions and store them. Over time, you could make your library with funny moments of your stream bigger. Well, people will make clips of funny moments anyways. All I have to do is just manage those clips. It's just a busy work thing to do. But it's a priority list of things that I need to do, which is putting this at the very bottom. Those clips can be played when I'm, you know, on the bathroom, in the bathroom and stuff. But for the most part, like, it is a very low priority task. Because these clips are not going to make the stream magically grow bigger. Guys, I'm gonna run ads real quick, and because I need to think about this. So you will not miss anything. So if it's 14 hours now. Perfect clip. Perfect clip. Rudy's back with the old clips too. Ah, man. Hey, Cakez, could you check showcase thread in your Discord? Yeah, I'll check it after the ads. Oh, man. Distance moved sucks. The length function on this fucking stupid relative mouse int vector is pissing me off. Oh no, please don't tell me. I have a feeling it's because this is an int. If this was a float, maybe it would be more accurate. Let's see. What if I turn this into floats? I will get issues 100%. Alright, let's see. Ads should be almost over. And then we have freedom of ads for a long time. Let's see, F8. Why are you not showing these errors? Or here, for example. Go there, bro. Screen to UI. Okay, so this function takes in now a vector to, which means we don't have to turn this into a float anymore. Over here as well. And the same thing goes to screen to world. These are floats. I have a feeling that it's always easier to just use floats everywhere for all of this, even if it's integer values nonetheless. Okay, so that is the first error that I had here. Is the rest working? No. Get grid in... Oh god, how many is that? Tile editor. Oh my god, okay. I see. Needs to turn this into an integer vector too. Yeah, the tile editor is really annoying in that regard. This one. I should just turn this into an int in the function. Oh man, I'm so fucking happy. I'm so fucking happy. You know, guys, you have no idea. I started working on the next YouTube video yesterday, finally, after being finally done with the stupid Diablo 4 recordings that took up 600 fucking gigabytes on my system, man. God, I'm finally starting. Now I managed to get 7 days of recording, you know, me streaming. I managed to seep through 7 fucking days. I made a lot of progress. I'm so fucking happy. And I'm pretty sure, pretty confident, if nothing goes wrong today, I will be able to completely go through all of the recordings. Get a fucking SSD, nerd. Yeah, just get a new SSD, bro. Get a new SSD. Cakez, why don't you just buy a new SSD? Yeah, if I could, I would, bro. I will not take any handouts, okay? My wife told me to. When I can, I will. Okay, brother? I would also get myself a new graphics card as well. At some point. Gotcha, bitch! You know? But it's all in the stars, okay? You have to wait for these things. They will come. Thank you very much for following. Hakzing you, my man. Weird name, but appreciate it. My vacation will start tomorrow. The same day the new PoE league starts. And I didn't look into anything related to PoE. No patch notes, nothing. I'm even avoiding the Discord friends to see if I could focus on my game. But I must say it is hard. So you are about to have an enjoyable PoE experience, my friend? Me too. I have not looked into anything specific too. I've looked into the announcement trailer as well. And I can say it is juicy. And tomorrow we're going to look at the gems. And I will decide on the fly which build I will play as well. I can't wait. It's going to be glorious. It's going to be a glorious day. I can already tell. I will play through the entire night. And in the morning, we will do some programming. On time. That time. I have to survive until 11 AM though, so maybe I'll do the programming stream at 9 AM and then go to sleep. We'll see. If I die during the night, I will take a small nap. Let's face it. If I die to some dumb shit, I will 100% take a small nap and then come back with on time. Yeah, true. Yeah. So what was I working on, by the way? Oh yeah, I was working on the stupid. Please work now. Please. There we go. This is what we were working on. Another relative mouse is a float vector in and of itself. Hi Cakez, I'm still on my business trip. There is a small YouTube content creator having trouble with their algorithm. Could you check out why is Mihawk so small on YouTube? Mike Hawk. Okay, I can. Sure, I mean, yeah. Why is Mike Hawk? Oh. Ah, shut your fucking mouth, you little fucking piece of fucking shit. Shut the fuck up, piece of fucking shit. Fuck you, bitch. God damn it. Check the showcase. Oh yeah, sure. I will. You fucking asshole. Hello there. Welcome. Hello guys. Thank you very much for the raid. I really appreciate it. Bitch. Goodness. Hello guys. I've never the dev dead. Hello there. Thank you very much for raiding. Raiders. Good morning, Gotham. Hello there. Good morning, everyone. If this shit doesn't work, then I'm gonna be angry. How much do you have to move this thing, man? You aren't a big YouTuber. What advice would you give? Hello everyone, what have you guys been doing? Omid Nomis raid. What would I give as a YouTuber? What advice? For making YouTube videos? Well, it depends on what you want to do first. It's difficult to say, but I would say try to, like what Mr. Beast says. You make a YouTube video and you find out what you did wrong in that video and you improve with every video. Try to make better videos every time. And also watching YouTube a lot helps a lot. What advice? Try to work out good quality for videos and then learn with every video. And focus on quality rather than quantity. Try to make good content that people would like to watch. It's a learning curve with everything that you do. So it doesn't really... It's very rare that someone that starts YouTube blows up immediately. What YouTube recently is missing is personalities. I think you're wrong on that. You maybe are watching the wrong people. Let me test something here. Bro, I'm a YouTube whore. I think you're still wrong. So many people on YouTube, but you can find someone like you, someone you like. Yeah, true. Let me see, distance moved. Stop following collector of stuff. Fuck you. Hope you're having a good day though. Relative mouse. Input. Relative mouse.x. I really want to get this done today because I'm so close. I'm so close to have this done. And then we can focus on something more interesting than this. Okay, and then not on 60, but on 70. Okay. So what is it? Why not using some engine for game dev? You are too good. Hello there, boss gang. The reason why I'm not using an engine is because ultimately I wanted to learn. I wanted to know the ins and outs of what it means to make a game. And so my focus was not on releasing a game. It was on... Why can I not speak? It was on learning. The first thing would be why he wants to be on YouTube and what content would he do there. Yeah. Like, find something that you want to do on YouTube. And if you don't know, then do random videos until you know what you want to do. Exactly. It's the same thing with programming. It's the same thing with anything, really. Find a niche. You don't even have to find a niche. You don't really have to do that. That's wrong, in my opinion. I know everyone says that, but I think that's wrong. If you make good content, it doesn't matter which niche you're in. You just need to provide value. I don't understand why the fuck the length of this fucking vector is always 0. I cannot increase the length of moving something on the screen because this fucking thing is always 0. I cannot do that. It's so frustrating. Fuck, man. So I can't move this accurately. Fuck. Time limit, maybe? Fucking stupid ass bullshit, man. How do I calculate this shit? Point. Fuck you. Like, it's... If I move my mouse... Like, no. 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 It should increase. It should fucking increase. Like, it does not increase. The length is always 0. Why is it 0? He plays with a ton of languages. C++ is a go-to, but to be honest, once your background programming is concept languages fall into place easy. Stop Cakez. Yeah. I think what happens is this code path happens. This code path happens because the center distance, the key, actually, but the key is down. So this is false. It is hot. And the last active ID is the same. This one is also true. And I have enough money. So this should not happen when I'm clicking.
I so out of touch? No.
Sturdy Pose is gifting
man.
1 subs to the community.
Appreciate it, Sturdy Pose. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for gifting us up to Jakum. Thank you, man. This is an OR check. So one of those conditions is true. It goes in here immediately. But I don't think... Let's just see. I'm just gonna draw a UI quad to 100. Oh, wait. No problem. I appreciate it, man. Thank you very much. 30. Yeah, I know, guys. This is a weird, annoying problem. I should probably do this off stream. I didn't think it would. I did not think. Okay, so this quad happens or shows up whenever that code path. Yeah, see that? This white quad happens all the time. It doesn't matter what I do. This white quad happens all the time. So this code path always executes. Which condition is that? It's not this condition. I need to create 3 booleans to know which one it is. Money. Bool. A button. And then we have the distance. Bool distance. Okay, which one is it? How do I know? Oh, I have an idea. If money. Wait. This is the problem. This needs to be inverted. Oh my god! That was the problem all along! I'm fucking stupid! Oh! Oh no! Oh god, fucking hell. I found it. At least I found it. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on, brother. Oh, yeah. Distance moved is too much. Still getting reset. Why is it still getting reset though? Huh? That works. Why is it resetting now? It's gotta be one of them. The button is gonna be color green. And then else. If it's a distance, then it's gotta be color red. And you need to supply the color here. Okay. Which one is it? So, yellow. It's the money. Are you stupid? 15? I see. I see. I understand now. So, there is one of the heroes. Yeah, one of the heroes here. Ah, I get it now. So, one of those heroes is too expensive. Okay. I give up explaining this. I'm just gonna fix it. Hopefully. I'll give up explaining this. Let me think. So, only when this happens. Wait, when it's actually the same? The button is hot and... If we have a different button that's hot, then I want to reset the distance, yes. But if we have... If we have this... We only reset on money if the same button is hot. Then... Fuck off! If the last active ID... Wait, if the button is hot and it has to be the same. Okay. Goodness. Hey, my man, thank you very much for following. Joined at a ragey time. Goodness, what are these conditions, bro? So essentially, the button is hot. No, wait. I want to reset the distance moved when I don't have enough money on the button that was last activated. Maybe. No way. Does it work now? Does it work now? There was still a bloop. It still blopped to the mouse. Banger. Hello, Ninx. Good afternoon. Hello there. Oh, excuse me. Try other hero. Yeah. It still flips to the mouse for some reason. So when I place this unit, right, I place it down. And then I go with my mouse to the unit. It flips. It goes to the mouse. See that? I did not touch anything. Like it just teleported here. Let's see, what is the distance here? Center distance. Oh, I know how to do it. I know what to do. I just remove the last active ID, I think. Over here. Maybe that fixes it. My boy, my man Sumatras, my man. Good morning, sir. My boy, my man. Hello there, bro. How's it going? Brute force mode engaged. And? You have a problem with me brute forcing my code until it works? Huh? You know what works, works. Who gives a fucking shit about anything else? Who gives a fucking shit? Huh? I have a feeling that I don't need this distance moved variable at all. Oh my god, it behaves exactly like Bloods. It behaves exactly like Bloods. I have exactly Bloods. Yay! Thank you very much for following, bro. And the two-header blabber, like, shut the fuck up, bitch. Yoinked another feature, great.
What do you mean by yoinked? I fucking implemented this shit myself, and this feature is great.
You dummy. Absolute noob. Oh yeah, thank god, finally. Oh my god. Think we can get rid of this, right? Oh yeah. This is what I wanted to have the entire time. Awesome. Hello there. Zilauski? Okay, cool. Now we can place units very efficiently, and it feels good placing units now. I still have a feeling that this radius here on this guy is wrong. What even is the feature? I see one unit placement. That seems very normal. Well, the feature is the following. So, let's say I place a unit on the ground, right? The first thing is, do you see how it snaps back into the position when the mouse goes here? That is number one. That's the first feature. Oh, that's bad. I wonder what resets. I see. I can fix that. Look at this fucking if check, man. Goodness. Look at this fucking if check. Alright, let's see here. It still happens. That shouldn't happen. The button should be active, then why? Oh. If you want to be efficient, just give us keybinds for the units. So, you know, I find it funny how, and I'll show you something. Okay, bro? I find it funny how you guys can take such a game here. Okay. Shut the fuck up. And take... See this, right? And then you see this one right here. And you think that you know better than those guys. I find that funny. Control C, Control V. When will you check the Discord? I'll check the Discord when I have fixed this, okay? We are almost. This should work though. This is just an AND chain. So the last active ID is the same as the button ID and we don't have enough seats, not enough money. So this one doesn't happen. The key is also not in the center. So how can this happen? Hotkeys. Balloon City hotkeys. Okay, are you going to... Like, even if you... What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? It doesn't matter if they have hotkeys or not. It does not matter if they have hotkeys or not. What are you talking about? Are you stupid? Huh? Even if you have hotkeys, this is the same thing. What do you mean? This is the same thing. If someone does not use the hotkeys and they just use the mouse, the same, it needs to be fluent. It needs to be polished. This is one of the this is the gameplay. This is literally the gameplay loop. This has to be as fluent as it can get. If it is not, then someone is not gonna play. What are you talking about? Which is fucked up more, the pointer or a smart pointer? Neither. Yeah, like, you just need to understand both concepts. Both have their use cases. Eski, hello there, welcome. Hello there on YouTube. Maybe reduce the distance to 5. It is not the distance. What happens is I'm starting to hover over another UI element, and that UI element is now taking precedence, which means this can be false, then this is unequals, but it shouldn't be, it's also not active then. This was the issue. The last active ID, if that is not active, this has not to... Okay. Why? No! Then this changes somewhere. If it is active... Eh? Is if it's active. This is the issue. Let me think real quick. Hä? That makes no sense. Hä? I know this is very dry, guys. Percentage D. 20, 60. I hate these kinds of problems. I'm sorry about that. Just last active ID. The same ID is still active. It is still active. Yeah. So then I don't understand how, guys, how do you check bulls in sprintdev? Can you guys tell me how to check bulls in sprintdev? Is it a percentage boolean or something? What is that from Fear and Hunger? You can do exclamation mark songs 30 posts. And then I will give that to you. Maybe you just do a percentage D and supply a boolean in sprintdev. Come on! Work! Hate this. Fucking hate this. Okay. Does it work? Okay, money. How about distance? Are you fucking stupid? Are you... Guys, how do I do booleans? Oh shit. If is hot, no. Is active, last active ID. Let's test this. How to display bool bool value using sprint f. What is the for bool? Percentage d prints 1. Okay, so you do percentage d. Okay, percentage d is what I have. Then let's see what happens. They all 0. Then why is this swapping over to this one? Why is this swapping over? If the button is hot, but the button is hot. What do you mean? Zero. Yeah, but why are you changing? You could fix it, Cakez, I believe it. Man, like these fucking issues, I hate that. I should not program this on stream. Fuck, man, I should not do that. Can't concentrate very well. Now this... It's been a while since I've been here, but my game is almost done and someone played it live. Hey Silent, hello there. I don't even remember your name, to be honest. What game was it? Is it the... It's not the black and white game, right? Is it? Or maybe it is? Believe us, I can't. God fucking damn it. I think this happens, but then... The last active ID is still the same. How is it not hot anymore? Both of them are hot, I think. Seems like this button is no longer hot. Because last frame another button was hot. So we can't check that anymore. It must be this case here. How do I know that? Let's see. Yeah, I can't check it. The bosses are black and white, Hollow Knight, top down, boss rush, making it on mobile. Yeah, I know this is very dry, guys. I do know that. I have an idea. Maybe it's this check here. Yay! Woo! Yes! We are almost there. Almost. Almost. Almost there. The last thing that I want to change is the following. If I have a unit on my thing here, then first of all it needs to be in front of everything. But if I go on the tree here, I do not want the tree to react at all. I want it to stay there, and I can achieve that by changing this if check right here. Hot means, well, am I hovering over this? But there can currently is active or like if it's hot, last active ID has to be 0. Maybe this. And then also where's the attack range indicator? Point and click indicator. The layer is a problem. Here hot means hovering. Yeah, hot means hovering over something. Celsius Seashore. Moin and GG. Hey, Celsius Seashore. Long time no see. Happy lad. Yeah, I am getting very close to fixing a stupid fucking UI. Change layer 10, I guess. And then change that back by -10. That should make put the unit on top of everything. Oh my fucking god. Now the circle is obviously not on top of everything, right? And so in order to do that, actually, we can add in a layer.
Am I so out of touch?
Do layer.
No.
Attack
Shrupter
circle.
just subscribed. Big tick support for 17 years. Less than 3.
My man, Shrupter, long time no see, bro. You're getting off work early today? How's it going, my man? Yeah, Shrupter has been very busy with his new job. Hope everything's good, bro. Wow, 17 years, lol. Yeah, such a long time. True. Indeed. My man. Fuck you! No, not you, but... I'm sorry. I was not on him. Okay? Piss off. God, is that annoying? Then we need to use that layer here. Cool. Yes! Which means we now have a way of changing the layer. I don't think that's enough. Fuck. Don't think that's enough. Have an idea. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Goodness. Wow. Good. Good. Can you do 0 here? You can. Good. I think now it works. Oh no, it doesn't work, does it? It draws a sprite. No, it doesn't work. Because it's part of the, it's not part of the UI. Wait. No way. Shit. Shit. Fuck. God damn it. It doesn't show up when I select a unit, but it shows up here. Ah, so close. Almost. Man, when I'm done with this, I can literally call this system finished. It is literally finished. There needs to be 0 improvements done to this system. It is 100% done. And you know how rarely you can say that a system is done when you're making a game? It is just this one thing left. No reformatting? No, it will be done. It will actually be done. Maybe it's because I'm not supplying. Or maybe it's just so far behind everything. That no one sees it. It's also red. And it puts it here. Ah, center. Maybe center.y? Please tell me it works. How does it work in balloons? It's probably behind everything, right? I need to check it out, how it looks in balloons, but I think it's behind. Game's not finished, but the placing of units using the mouse is finished. A system polished and done. And that would be the very first system that is polished to the point where it's actually done. Makes me very proud. I've never gotten a system to a point where it's actually done. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The circle is below the unit, you place it. The circle is below the unit. Now I place another unit. The circle is it on top or below? I guess the gray area is below, but the circle is actually on top. The circle outline. Yeah, the circle outline is always on top and the other one is below. That's how they do that. Also, why is it red? Would like to know why that is. It's a bit odd. How does the color come in here? I'd like to know that. Shouldn't be red. Color. Attack radius color is obviously red, but why? Because it can't be placed? Collider hero. Get collider. Oh, yeah. Collider hero other. Wrecked collision. They are not colliding though. They're actually not colliding. You're wrong, brother. It looks like I can place... I don't like this at all, but I guess it's fine. I would like this to be below. It's even on top of the unit, I think. Seems like I can place units so close to each other that they overlap. I see what happens. They are being shifted. Because of the pixel, sub-pixel placement. I'm shifting them because of pixels. I think it's this inch shift. Okay. It's this one right here. Align with pixel grid. Maybe if I don't align, then they don't overlap. Yeah. Okay, so it was this pixel alignment, obviously, so I can't align them with the pixel grid. I don't think it's a big deal if they are not aligned. It's fine. Let's get rid of this. The last thing is the circle. It needs to draw properly. The reason why the circle is not drawn is because I draw it in the UI layer. But wait, I never tried. I never just tried drawing it normally like this. It's behind the UI. It fucking sucks, man. It's behind the UI. I don't want that. I want it to be in front. Fuck, man. How do I do that? I have an idea. Shouldn't it be red too? You can build behind the UI there. Yeah, but Bloons doesn't do that too. I don't think that's an issue. Maybe it should be red there as well. I'll figure something out. What's behind the UI? Wait, my brain. Come on. Function. Please, work. Do some work, please. We are almost there. We are literally almost there. Almost. Almost. I think I have a solution. It sucks, but I think I do have a solution. I'm literally going to do an if check. Wait, hey? 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 Layer lines. Okay, okay, see. It's layer lines. Okay, it's a stupid layer name, but okay. Yeah. Have an idea. I just have two functions. It's fine. This code path is not going to be executed a lot. So it is fine. Layer is layer attack circle. We change that back to attack circle. If it's on layer lines, we draw a UI quad. You draw UI sprite actually, not quad. And then we use UI get layer. If not, we calculate the layer ourselves. The attack circle layer, like this. And that's everything. It's just a simple if check. Then obviously this one needs to supply, yeah, the layer, which is no longer a float, but an actual layer. And over here, we just do layer lines. And then we know that we are supposed to draw this on the UI. Okay, finally. This should work. It should work, and we can call this system done. It is on top of everything. Here, now I place the unit. Bloop. It is below the unit. Now I place this thing right here. It shows me the circle exactly on top of the unit, which is fine. I want that. Let me place it. System done. Actually done. Oh. Okay. I need to commit and push this. Man. I'm very happy about this. Very happy. We made some load balloons like I don't know, drag and drop system. Not spawns, it's not a spawn system. Drag and drop system online. God Gamer, Geralt. Oh, from Geralt, a thumbs up, man. Guys, do you have any news about The Witcher? Has anyone of you watched The Witcher live action? I really liked it, actually. Now, looking back now, I kind of miss watching the series. You know, I binge watched it a couple of weeks ago. It was really good. I really liked it. Even though they, you know, added in a bunch of stuff that wasn't there before. I really liked it a lot. Does Cakez have an IQ? Then the 77 poll? What the fuck is this shit? Who made a poll 3 minutes ago? Piss off, bitch. Fuck you. Your mommy. I didn't even see that. I'm pretty sure there was cheeseburgers. Just wait, you know, wait 2 years, 1 or 2 years, you know, and you will not say that anymore. Just wait, you know. I'm learning every day. You dummy. Awesome. This system is great. I really like it. There's just one last thing to do. The skill tree. So when I have something on the mouse and I can't place it, you know, I have it stuck to my mouse. If I click the right mouse button now, oh, it doesn't open the skill tree. It doesn't open the skill tree? Oh my god, it just works. What? Cakez, I've almost been waiting 2 years already. You're wrong, you're wrong. When did you join? So I'm gonna expose you now. Absolutely wrong. Asen. Let's take a look here. Following since May 2022. That is 1 year and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months. He didn't lie. That's like 1.5 years, not 2 years. I'm gonna expose you. 1 year, 7 months, yeah. 2 years. In May, I said match. 2 years in May. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. You said in May. Yeah, you actually said in May. Yeah, okay. Cool pictures, by the way.
Am I so out of touch? No.
Big Bands Josh just subscribed.
Thank you,
Big
man.
tick support for 1 year.
Wrong again. Shut the fuck up. Shut your mouth. Thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate the support, man. Thank you. What is this? Hello there, Edward. This is a game, a tower defense game, and we just added in a balloons-like spawning system where you can drag heroes and then they stick to your mouse. If you can't place them in certain spots, and you can like min-max the placement. Bloop. Have a smooth placement. And it looks like we're going to be using hotkeys. Defender would be D, Ranger would be R, Healer would be H, Mage would be M, stuff like that. Cool. How about we change the sprites of those to actual sprites? They keep changing because I keep adding new sprites. And then we should also connect the skill tree. Save, yeah. So the defender has 2 abilities at the moment. But I definitely want to make this ability the root ability. And not this one. So that by default this ability is there. And maybe I need to make the numbers or the levels on the skills a little bit smaller. Can you place it on the streets? Yes, currently I can place it anywhere, even on the streets. But I will most likely remove that feature. I had a feature in place where a very fine grid in the level editor allowed me to draw exactly where to place units and not. I could do that again. I still have that in place. I'm just not sure whether I should do that or not. This is going to be a gameplay decision later on. Cool. Now that this system works, we can finally actually work on... We can work on the skill tree of the defender again. Let me see. Let's check Trello real quick. A Tangy defense. Demoralizing shout. I need some abilities for the defender. Different weapons, different bloom, glow strength. Add trail bloom to arrows. Yeah, skill tree respec all button. I think we already have that, right? Maybe not. Not sure. Probably not. Is the chat on the left Twitch? Yeah, the chat on the left is the Twitch chat, Eduard. Exactly. If you hotkey anything to fucking M, I will unsub. Why? What is your problem, Nix, with M? Explain, yeah. That's a big reason I come here. Some stuff I read in chat gets me lol. I don't chat in often, but I usually watch you for an hour or two in the morning, so I figured I should share some support. My man, thank you, man. I really appreciate it. Yeah, thank you very much. You know, you have no idea how much that helps. Thank you. It's a big reason I come here. Some of the stuff I read in chat gets me lol. Yeah, chat is quite funny. I really like my chat. You know, they are quite dumb sometimes, but yeah, they're good people. You know, they try real hard. Okay. I suppose we switch over to Windowkill. For 3, Peter. Multi shots and crossbows, I'll go to an MC. The chat only reflects the streamer. No, that's not true. You know what? I'm gonna change something minuscule today before we switch over to Windowkill. Here. I'm gonna make a small little change. Need to change the palette for that. I think it was Sega, right? Yeah. I'm gonna make a dark spot around it. How does it look? I like it. It gives it a somewhat of a dark boost. Do you see that at the bottom here? I like it. 2 hours of work, surely done in 2 years. Copium. It is not the amount of work that you do in one day. It is the accumulation of work that you do over an extended period of time. Okay? You noob. And the consistency that I'm working with has always helped me a lot, and it has also helped me stay motivated to work on the project. If I make small little changes every day and I see a little bit of progress every day, then I'm very, very happy. If we make an ability each day on this guy right here, for example, after 10 days we have 10 abilities. Boom, easy. You know, we already, how many abilities do we have on this guy here? Let's check the skill tree. I remember implementing at least one ability every day on this guy. So that is, how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think it's 8 abilities. And we could potentially have 9. Yeah, 9 over here. The poison cloud. You know, it's like a trap. Spend 100 points to highlight the message. What are we looking at? Who? I like that thought. I always scramble to get a lot done per day, but the way you think about it makes more sense, to be honest. Well, it depends, right? If you have to get something done by a certain amount of time, it can definitely be difficult. If you just spend a couple of hours each day, because maybe you won't. But I feel like the consistency is more important if you don't have a time where you have to be done. I think it also avoids burnout, to be honest. Ice Trap is still the best ability. Yeah, isn't it? It is still the best ability, but unfortunately I don't have Bloom. So it will not look as good as it looked before. Unfortunately, we still have to implement Bloom. Bloob, not Bloom. Working 2 hours per day, thinking full finish is 100% copium. No, I don't think so. I actually don't think so. The game has changed a lot in 1 year. Like, look at the difference from this Just look at how the game looked. This is almost exactly a year ago now. This is what the game looked like a year ago.
Why does
Clown.
it take 10 days to search for intro time? Why is the program crashing if I search for intro time? Oh my god!
Thanks for interrupting the video. I really appreciate it. Collect off stuff. Oh, it was Vincent. Sorry, it was Vincent. This is what the game looked like a year ago. And what happened this year was a new tactics menu, a new skill tree, items, weapons, abilities on enemies, a system to spawn units that is more efficient, gold.
In both in the town and in the main
I was showing how it was.
so that the options menu is now a drop down
It's time to update the Steam page soon. Looks so much better now. Yeah, I will.
But it's like a fuck.
Old one looked better, Sag. You really think so, Coffee Lava? Do you think the old game looked much better than the current version? Revert changes, please. Maybe I can agree with you on the grass. That could potentially be... I could agree with that. But I think everything else, you see that? I learned a lot this last year. Wow. What a huge difference. Yeah. What an enormous difference. You remember that team? You would swap your team to the right. You would actually create a team. New graphics look better, but the old version looks closer to being playable, to be honest. Yeah, because it was. I made a version that was playable, 100%. I made a game that you could play through, actually. A demo version that you could play through in half an hour if you could stand the bugs and the nicks and crannies. If you could select, look, this ability actually froze the enemies and stuff. There's a lot of stuff going on, but all of this stuff is still in the game. I just haven't implemented the visuals yet, but all of that is still in there. The towers look better in the newer version, in my opinion. Yeah, thank you. That was the idea, making those towers look better. And now what I'm working on now is basically refactoring the entire mechanics and polishing. Polishing takes such a long time, it's crazy. You wouldn't think about it. But I'm very happy. I'm very, very happy that I did this, because now we can actually upgrade and find weapons. You know, I can give this guy a new weapon, and the weapon is animated, and I don't have to draw him with a different weapon. You know, back then I was stuck with this round circle and this shield all the time. You know, it's called Tangerine. It's called Tangy defense, not Tangerine, but Tangy defense. Yeah. Never ask me a question again. Oh, sorry. My favorite is when he asks me a question and I reply and he fucking ignores me. Becoming part of the furniture is a natural process. Part of the crew, part of the ship. Idea of hotkeys is for easy access. M is literally in Africa in comparison to the natural layout where people have their hand. Far from the keys you otherwise suggested. What makes you think that I will not have keybinds in my game? Why do you think I made an entire tutorial on YouTube on how to make keybinds in a game? They will exist, but by default it will be M, because it's called mage. He's called a mage. I'm a hot tub stream in me, Cakez. Okay. I'm not answering this question. Fuck you. We only have 2 years left, and if you only do 2 hours a day, there's no time for keybinds. I already have keybinds. What are you talking about? We already have the ability to add keybinds in the game. Look. It's not in this one. Over here, Windowkill. The application that we wanted to work on today. Let me go to the initialized. Do you see this? Key mappings. I can move up and I can map that action to a key W. And so now, if you want, you can add more. You can add up to 3 keys to the same keybind. That's not in Cakez now, is it? Adding this to my game is work of like a day or 2. At most. I already know how to do it. I already know how to set up the keybinds. I only need to go through the code, and then for every time where I use, let's say, left mouse, I replace that with the action in the game. But I'm not doing it now because I don't need to. This will be closer to when I actually want to release the game. Is there a button to show the different keybinds? I usually show them when you hold the Alt key, just so it's easier if you want to start using keybinds. I will most likely have an options menu or something like that. I will take a look at how Bloons does it. And then just copy what they do. Like UI wise is what I mean. Like I will do the internals myself, but I'm very interested in how they do that UI wise. Okay. Oh yeah, what a good day. What a good day. A really good day. Very happy. Guys, how do games usually make these sounds work? You hear that, right? Okay, listen. Oh shit. Should not be able to resize. Give me a second, I'm being called. Come on, Mom, I'm streaming, stop bugging me, yeah. No, guys, actually I have to leave. My wife's mom is in the hospital. So I have to leave. Do we have someone to raid? Kuviman. Let's raid Kuviman. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, I really have to leave. I will be online tomorrow. Hard drive full, gotta leave. Gute Besserung, thank you. Now they need stuff from me and they don't have anyone with a car. So I will go there. Guys on YouTube, I really appreciate you watching. Sorry we didn't get to Windowkill earlier today. We will definitely get to it tomorrow. I'm very sorry about that. I want to finish the game too and then maybe move on to something more interesting.